it's been hard to get out of bed. She never looked that way at me. I swear she's fucking with my head. Take me far away from pain. Take me far away, far from yesterday. This ain't a love story, it's a
Hi to everyone, welcome to the channel. Today it's the 4th of March and I am for the first time riding this year. I mean I am going for a, let's say, 30 kilometers ride one way. I just decided that it's the right time. It is raining, as you can see. The forecast was that it's gonna be cloudy, but as we can see we have rain. That's why I'm gonna be careful and not exaggerating. So we have 15 degrees Celsius, guys, and this is something that it's appropriate, at least for me. So the weather, it's quite warm right now, and the purpose of this video was not to just start the riding season, but also to test the mic and my helmet setup for motovlogging. Those of you who know me for some time also watched my video about my new motovlogging setup, and now I am testing it. So what is the sound like, guys? Can you hear me well? It is okay. I really hope that it is not cracking and, you know, those sounds that are really annoying. So please put down in the comment if the sound is okay, or what do you think about it. I will be glad to answer you or just reply. So guys, like I said, we are in the beginning of March, and the season it's already here. The weather it's warmer. Just what it's really annoying is that we have quite a lot of rain these days, and I hope for the best, for the sun to come out very soon, and for at least some sunny days, guys. So I am heading from Piaggio to Koper right now, and this is the old road. I am not gonna use the highway. I really rarely use it, you know, when there is a must only, I would say. So now I am riding here on the older road, and this is just fine, guys.
darling, damn, you look beautiful. You're killing my heart, it's the usual. Killing my heart, it's the usual.
As you can see, I had to put some pressure in my tires. So the front one was around 2 bars, and the rear one was around 2.5. The bike was sitting in the garage for about 3 months, maybe a little bit more, and that's why I just had to do it. So according to the spec, the front should be 2.5 bars, and the rear should be 2.9. So I'm just doing everything according to the spec. About my new motovlogging setup, I can confirm that it feels okay. It feels just right. I don't know about the sound. You're gonna tell me, you're gonna report it to me, but I have to say that the helmet, it's okay for now. I cannot feel anything strange. I cannot feel anything that would bother me right now. I just have to get used to this opening in the middle, guys, you know, in the middle of the visor, and that is all, in my opinion, right now. I had a little problem with the cable of the DJI, I mean for the mic, so it was not appropriate to put it anywhere around the camera, and I just made a little gap made of leather. It is a piece of a belt, and as you can see, it went quite good, in my opinion. So what do you think about that? Not really an invention, but I think it's cool, at least for me. Some say that you are not a biker if you didn't experience riding in the rain, and I just have to agree. It is always a very good feeling being on a bike, being on a motorcycle, guys, and you already know it. So it doesn't matter if it's raining or if it's just sunny, cloudy, or whatever. It's always a very good feeling. I am 10 kilometers away from my destination. Those of you who are for the first time watching my video, please consider subscribing, and you can also check my other videos like test rides videos, test drive videos, and also some traveling videos. Recently I was in Romania. You can check that series also. So, my previous video was about my new helmet motovlogging setup. If you're interested, please check it. This is all for now. Thanks for watching, and just like always, do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.